Hi everyone, this is Inderpreet. Welcome you all to AI Logic Works, your go-to place to learn how to build an AI agent for your business or even for your education purpose, all without writing a single line of code. So, today I'm going to show you how to build an WhatsApp AI agent that can handle customer queries, order tracking, raise tickets, FAQ, and so much more all through WhatsApp in the form of text messages, voice messages, and also through image. Means if any customer or a client leave their voice message or submit the image, ask stuff like pricing or details about the product, our WhatsApp AI agent will be capable enough to handle all of it for your business 24 by 7 automatically. So, if you are running any e-commerce store or service or a product-based business, if you want to save your time in customer support, so this video is for you. Before diving in, just let me give you a quick tip. To create WhatsApp AI agent, some tools are required like Anyten for automation, Facebook developer account to get WhatsApp API, which will again integrated with Anyten, and Airtable to get information like orders, inventory details, and to create tickets. And also we need OpenAI for LLM purposes. And last will be Supabase to store our business informations and FAQs. So don't you worry or get confused. I will help you out to set up each and every account step by step. So this is entire WhatsApp AI agent workflow, and I already put it in active mode. So let's start our testing from sending just hi. And let's see. Hey, Veronica. So it's working with text. Now let's just check the execution part. Yep, it's totally working. So now let's start with the audio thing. Can you please tell me about your business hours? So let's check what it get back to us.
Our online store is available 24/7, and customer support is available round the clock via email. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.
Perfect. So now let's test with our image. Let me ask it what it is. Let me tell you that I did not train it for this image. It's just a generic. This image you provide is a logo of LinkedIn, which is a professional networking platform. See, as I told you that I did not train it according to this image. I just put a random image and asked for the details. It grabbed it from the internet using the RAG and the LLM and give us the right information. So as you can see that how much powerful this system is. So let's start with the raising the ticket. I want to file a complaint. First of all, we have to check with the Airtable right here. There is no such I was testing about, so we will not use this. We will use another scenario for this. Let's see. Provide your order ID. Alright, check in any order ID. Let us go with ORID 1 to 4. It's ORID 1 to 4. See how it works. Could you please confirm full name associated with this? So we just copy this, and I don't want to confuse our WhatsApp AI agent by giving any kind of random information. So let's see. Thank you, Sally. Please provide us your email address. So we have an email address. Nope. So it's at mail.com. Let's see how it works. Phone number is there. It's just a demo, dummy number. If I show you that what's going behind, this is the running time. Okay, we got a message. Great, now please describe issue. Okay, for issue, I would say I did not receive the correct size of shoe. Let's see that going to create our ticket or not. That's really amazing. As you can see, it automatically created our ticket by confirming our details first, our order ID, then our name confirmation. Only then it's give us a proper space to create a ticket. And this how powerful it is. So let me show you how to create it. So that was a quick demo, and yes, we built WhatsApp AI agent especially for the e-commerce sector. But the best part is it is completely customizable, whether if you need it for booking appointments, lead generation or support, or any other use case. It can be easily tailored according to your needs. Now, let's start building the WhatsApp AI agent step by step. So now let's start from scratch. First, we have to select WhatsApp Cloud, then on message. This will be selected our trigger as whenever we receive any message on WhatsApp, this will be got triggered. And we have to create an account here. Just click on create a new account. Then all you will need is client ID and client secret code. And where you will get it, go to the developers.facebook.com and you will land up here. Then click on my app. Then create an app. You have to name the app like it's a demo. And you have to select your email address right here. Okay, so there is an issue that we cannot use a name of WhatsApp. So what we can do is tweak a little bit. Now let's check. Yep, see, accepted. Now select others. Next. Now select business. Next. Everything is correct. No business portfolio is selected. We will create ahead. I will tell you how to create this business portfolio later. Now it's created. Just go to WhatsApp and click setup. Now, in your case, it must be asking for the portfolio. To create a portfolio, you have to visit business.facebook.com and there you will have to create click here and create a business portfolio and just follow whatever the requirements they are asking for, and easily you will create a portfolio of your business. Then after selecting that, go to app settings, basic. Now here you will find app ID and app secret. Just copy the secret here and copy the app ID over here and just save it. And after that, let's close this tab. This is done. Now we have to select an AI agent. In AI agent, we have to connect define below. Just user message hello and leave it as it is, and click on chat model. We will select open AI chat model. GPT mini, this would be fine. So for OpenAPI, you must have an account for that as well. Now again we have to attach WhatsApp to send message. whatever the output we will get from the AI agent, then we have to get a reply on WhatsApp. From here, we also have to do account setting. Account will be the same, but it requires an access token and business ID. For that, you again have to go to the dashboard and click on WhatsApp and API setting. Here you will get the access token, and from here you will get a test number from WhatsApp and only. And in the recipient, you have to select your own number. If it is not shown, then you have click on manage phone number list, then add your number over there, and you will receive an OTP. After verifying, you will get your number over here. Then just click on your number and generate access token. It will ask for certain permission. Just go with the flow. Opt all in your current and future WhatsApp account. Continue and save. Now you have generated the access token. Just copy it and paste it right over here. And business account ID is right here. Just copy and paste it over here. Let's retry once again. It will be live. Successfully connected. Save. Now we have just created a basic function. Now in the recipient phone number, we will add our phone number over here. In the text body, test. Now we have to execute it. Okay, in the sender phone number, you have to select the phone number which is provided by the WhatsApp. Just select it, and everything it seems to be fine right now. And save and execute. And also you have to save the number which is provided by the WhatsApp, which in my case it start from +1 and 55 or something. I saved that with the name of Chatbot test. Now let's test it again. It's received, activated, and let's see. We get a reward of test. Now we have to change it. First we go to AI agent, then here we will put a user message. In our case, the text one. Just drag and drop the body. Make sure it should be under the text. And after that, go to WhatsApp and also change this text body to the output created by the AI agent. Now, save it and execute once again. Now again we have to test it. Here we go. Hello, how can I assist you today? And this is the correct output we get. So the text part is done. Now we will create the audio part. So now for that, what we have to do is we have to differentiate by putting a switch. Why we are putting a switch? Our AI agent get to know that what is audio, how to deal with that, what is text and what is image. First we have to attach them with each other. And yeah, we get now. Let's put our body here and equals to string. Yep. When it exists, just rename it text. So now, for audio, we have to first give a sample of audio. Before that, I have to just save it and execute it so that it can grab the details. This is a test audio. Yep, it received. Now what we have to do is add a routing rule. Just drag the audio right here. Okay, so object select an object, then exist, and rename it as an audio. Now another router will be selected and it will be an image. For that, again, we have to select an image so that it gets triggered. So now it's executed successfully. So the third router we have done is image. Let's put right here, and it should be equals to object, then exist. Rename it image. Here you can see it was an image, then it will come under the image section. Audio and text is already set up. So now what we have to do is we have to construct a proper workflow for audio. One more thing we have to add here: when AI agent receive any kind of text from audio or simple text, it should be converted into a JSON format. So in that case, we have to add a set node over here. Just select it, and before that we again have to push the text format. Okay, it's connected now, and now drag the body over here. Should be in the form of text. Now what we have to do is we receive an audio in certain format. First, to understand AI what is in the audio, we have to download it, then transcribe it, then again AI agent will understand and revert back us in the audio format. For that, we firstly download the audio we get, go to the media section and download media. We have already set up the account over here, media download. In the media ID, I think again I have to push the audio. This is for the testing purpose. You will find the audio, and here is the ID of the audio. Just drag and drop here. And after that, we have to select in HTTPS. Just execute it. It downloaded it. Now we get a URL over here. Just drag and drop here. And now we have to put an authentication over here. Just select the generic credential. It should be in the header auth. We have to put a credential. The name should be always authorization. And value should be start from barrier. Then space, you can see over here, barrier. And after that, we have to add a token which we have already created from the WhatsApp developer account. Just copy over here and paste it over here. Save it. Credential is successfully added. Now it's totally working. And after that, we have to select. Before that, just clean it. And we have to rename it so in future we do not get confused. Audio download URL. HTTPS. Now we have to select OpenAI, which can transcribe the data we are getting. Everything is selected, everything is fine over here. So now we have to execute this as well. Now we get the audio over here. This is for me the testing purpose. This is for the testing purpose. This was the output it should get. And now what we have to do is Just drag this and add into the AI agent. And now we have to change the output of audio from text to audio. Till here, we are getting an text format. Now we want it into the audio format. For that, we will put a node of if. We have to execute previous data before. So let's start the execution and go back and just type here hi so that it start the execution over here. Okay, so we are getting an error here. Okay, we did not change our prompt to this. The error occurs because we directly getting the data from the text body, not from the JSON text. So in the edit field which we created before, just drag the output of that and put it right here. Now the information we are getting from JSON from right here, it also will be in the text form, and in the OpenAI format it also will be in the text form. So now I hopefully it create yep, now it's working fine. We have to test again an audio. This is again for the testing purpose. So now let's see how it goes. Okay, so here we are getting it in the text form, but we have to change it to the audio format. So we have to go to right here and just check the switch node and drag the audio part in the and click object exist. Now when the object is exist, it will come under the true part. When it is not exist, then it will go to the text form. If it's false, then it's go to the text. Now we have to add OpenAI and have to generate audio right here. Everything should be same. Just drag and drop the output we are getting from the AI agent. Be specific with that, and you can select any voice you like. Just click and test it over here. Yep. Also, you can check the audio speed and response format as well. Just execute it. Now we get it in a MP3 format. Now the issue is WhatsApp only accept the audio or in a format of MAG, MPEG, but this is in the form of MP3. So we have to convert it to the MP3. Sorry, from MAG to MAG. For that we have to do a little bit of coding. Just copy paste the functionality the code I have put in the description, or you will find it in the resource link, then execute it. Now the MP3 is converted in a MIME type of MPEG. Now this is perfectly fine because WhatsApp only understand these kind of audio format. So now WhatsApp again, we will add send message over here. Account type is selected, everything is done. Selected format will be the number. Recipient number, again we have to put our number over here. Make sure your country code should be there, and also this number will be that number only which you have connected to your WhatsApp API account. So now text body will be audio. It's linked to N10 and let it be the data and just execute it. Now we have received the message in the audio format. So now what we have to do is we have to create each and every node similar to audio but for the image format. First we have to download the image. Again, each and everything have to be same. So again I have to for triggering it put an image. Just please be careful that whenever you go to test on WhatsApp, it should be connected. It should firstly execute the workflow, then only do any kind of changes. So now I will select again any kind of image, sample image, just post it over here. When it receive, we will start our work. Now again WhatsApp, download the media. Now we will start with the image over here, image ID, drag and drop, media, executed. It is converted now. Just rename it image URL. Now what we can do is we can duplicate this. Just drag and connect it to this. Now what we have to do is everything will be same despite this URL. Let's copy this and execute this as well. JPG format, perfect. Just click over here and select OpenAI, but now we have to analyze the image. So now everything will be same model. We will choose 4.0 or 4.0 mini. That would be fine. What is in this image? So there are two parts. Sometime we get the caption and sometime we will not getting any kind of caption. So it is not necessary. But in this case, we haven't put any kind of caption while triggering the image part. So for that, just save and execute it once again, and we will try it with the caption this time so that the flow created should create in a perfect manner. So just execute it and let's see how triggers work. It's working very fine right now. Its URL is converted and request has been made. Obviously it will be an error for us. So just go to the schema part. Let me see where is the caption. Okay, in the message section under image, there is a proper way of caption, but it should be in the switch form actually. I don't know what's the idea, what's the issue behind this. So we need a caption, so just drag and drop over here. What's the trigger? Just copy. We have to add a dynamic format in here as well. What if sometime we do not send any kind of caption along with the image? In that case, what we will do is add a slash, comma, and put this font over here. So it will catch both. If there is any kind of caption, that in automatically generated. If it is not, then it will go with the what is in this image. And in the URL section, we are not doing it because we are going with the binary, the data, and now execute it. The output should be perfectly fine. The image feature is simple graphic design of a network or flowchart. That is how OpenAPI represent it. So now what we have to do it, we have to connect it with the WhatsApp send message. But before that, what we have to do it, we have to like and text, we have converted it into a JSON format. Now here we also have to define that this output should be in the format of output only. So with that, we have to select a node and drag and drop the output over here and put it as output. Execute it. Now this is in output. We will then put it over here and again push send message and tag. All right. See, we get our image over here, image description, over here. So now, till now what we have created very successfully is an AI agent which can define and accept the audio, image and text format in a perfectly fine-tuned manner. By the way, if the idea of building AI agent excites you, but you also feel a bit of overwhelmed, that is where ORIVO AI fits in. We help businesses, agencies, and startups to automate their monotonous work and repetitive tasks. Our AI agents are designed to handle all of it, so you don't have to. The result will be faster response time and also reduce your workload so that you get more time to focus on what really matters to grow your agency or business. So, if it feels like something you need, book an appointment with us. You will get a link in the description below. We would love to help you. So let's get back to the video. So now what we have to do is we have to create a knowledge base, as well as we have to attach our data with the WhatsApp AI agent. So how we can do it is, first we will create a knowledge base for this AI agent. For that we will have to create a new workflow. Firstly, let's just name it WhatsApp demo chatbot and just create a new workflow. Let's name it WhatsApp demo KB denoted to knowledge base. So now what we have to do is, firstly we have to attach our Google Drive. And why we are using Google Drive? Reason being, we will store our data, our knowledge base, our information about our business or services, FAQ. Mostly these are in a PDF form. So we will store our PDF doc in the Google Drive. You have to create an account first. Click on create a new credential. And for that, the most important part is your NA10 should be hosted in a cloud, not on a local host, because it will not work until unless you get any kind of URL with you, which automatically get hosted from the NA10 only. Or there are different ways as well. You can search it on YouTube if you want to host locally but still get a valid URL. And for now, we are not getting into that part. So if you have any cloud hosted NA10, then it is perfectly fine. You will find my NA10 link in the description below. Just click over there and create your ID and just select a paid plan, which only then you will get a cloud host. So now what we are required here is Google Drive's client ID and client secret. For that, you have to just search on Google about consolecloudgoogle.com. Then you will land it over here. Firstly, you have to create a project. Just click on create a new project and give a name of it like NA10 share drive chatbot. Just a random name, whatever you like. Organization, Just click on Chatbot, and now within a second it will create a fresh new account for this. You have to go and select this project which we have created. Now what we have you have to do is you have to go to the API services. Firstly, you have to install the API keys. Enable API services. Now search for Drive, Google Drive. First option you get with the Google API, you can access Google Drive folder to create, manage. This is what we want. So just enable it. This is a bit of technical. Just be with me. Just follow my steps. You will see it's not that much difficult. So firstly, it's enable now. What we have to do is we have to create a credential over here. Just click on credential. Okay, now it's working perfectly fine. Just select your Google Drive, user data. You have to define your name. Just put it WhatsApp Chatbot. Email ID support. Just put your supported email ID. I just created a dummy one, so just don't follow this kind of email ID. This is just a demo purpose only. Leave it. So just make sure in the developer contact information, your dummy account or dummy thing should be there. Just over here, save and continue. Authorization consent screen. Now we have to add a scope. This is really crucial part. We have to only select which the section name called Google Drive API. Select each and everything, whatever you see, because we have no idea how many parameters we have to select or go through. So it's essential to get all the API access at one single point of time. So yeah, everything is selected. Now update. Everything is here now. So now save and continue. App type, we have to select web application. In web application, client name, but it's N10. Now we have to add a authorized URL over here. This is why I was saying that you have to be on the cloud for that thing. So just copy here and paste it right over here. It's really important. Just create. It may take 5 minutes, but it do not take, actually it takes a bit of seconds only. So now we have a client ID over here. Just copy it and put it right here, and also save it somewhere, because we till now didn't get any kind of secret code. Here is the secret code. You can see client secret. Just copy, paste till right here. And paste it right here and see how it works. Just save it. Now what you have to do is just go back, keep edited and save it. Just refresh for one. We do not need any kind of trigger because Google itself put trigger right here. Just select it and again edit it. Now we have to connect with our account which we have gained the access block. There must be any kind of issue with that. Okay, so I think I again have to, alright, now it's done. Maybe it takes time.
Or what we can do is go to the credential, add this over here. Already added, everything is there. Data access, everything is perfect over here as well. Audience. Okay, in the test user, I can add my ID over here, save it right here. Now just let's recheck if we get an access. Now it's working perfectly fine. All data access accepted, connected successful. So it is that easy. Now what we have to do is we have to search a folder for a dummy purpose. What we can do is created a folder over my Google Drive, and then I put it a PDF over there. So search and just go to the advanced search. In query string, you have to do a bit of line of code in parents. Go to your Google Drive, select the folder you want to fetch, and in the URL after folder / the ID you have watch in your URL tab, just copy that and paste it right here. It should be single, not double. Yep. In minutes. Now it's working perfectly fine. Return all. To select the file, now from folder you will select, in this I have selected the data of happy feet, just for an example. In the option of field I have to select ID. I want a meme type. Meme type means the format. Maybe in the Google Drive you put an image of any kind of information or a PDF form, or it can be anything form. So the meme type have to be select and the name. Yep. These information will be enough, I think. Just execute it. See what is the output. Yep. We get a name, ID and meme type. Meme type is application PDF, which is perfectly fine because I already done it. And here you can see that I have a PDF which is name is Happy Feet FAQ. So here you can see it is right here. So now after doing this, we will in Google Drive select download files. Again we have to select our account file download. It should be by the file ID which we have over here. So I can drop over here file ID. Now we have to connect a most important thing, a Supabase. First we have to create a Supabase account, which is extremely simple. Just go and create. The link is in the description below. Create your account. You will get the link in the description below. Just create your account over here. I already have an account. It's really simple. In this, what you have to do is select a Supabase vector store, and you have to add documents into your vector store. Select your account, as I already told you that you have to create it right here. Your account host and your service role will be required, and from where you will get is when you create your account on Supabase, just go to your dashboard of Supabase, click on project setting, then select the API key over here, and here you will get the secret role. Just copy it and paste it, and in the host section what you have to do is go to your database data API, then here is your project URL. Just copy and paste it right over here. So after selecting this, insert document. From the list, select the happy feet. You right now will not able to see any kind of table, and for that what you have to do is just go to the doc section of Supabase on the Anytime section. Just click on quick start for setting up vectors account. Then you will see a code of SQL over here. Just copy it and go to your Supabase account, SQL editor, and paste it right here and just click on run. You will get a query of successfully done, and in the table editor form, then you will be able to see a name which come up with the documents. I just rename it. So if you rename right over here, it will stop working. So I will suggest just keep it as a document and just leave everything else as it is. So just go back and select here it's Happy Pete's, but here will be a document. So select that document and now leave everything as it is. Just click on embedding, select OpenAI and select your model. From my purpose it's 3 small. It's perfectly fine for now. And also I have to add the document. So document default loader will be fine. No, whatever we are putting, it's in a binary form, so it is not a JSON. So select this and keep everything same. Just select the text splitter. In my case, the best would be a recursive character text splitter. And you have to give a understanding for this, that what is chunk size and chunk overlap. Chunk size is every 1,000 words. It will create it into a small chunks. So to understand the things better, these chunks is the best way, so that database can retrieve the information as perfect as possible. So for your project, for your thing, what you can do is just put your details on into the OpenAI, the GPT, and it will tell you how much chunk size and chunk overlap you needed. So for now, between 150 to 200 or 250 would be fine. Just let it be a 200 for now. So now everything is perfectly designed right now. So you don't have to do anything else. Just I think I just have to, just click on this query. It will automatically match everything. Just save it right here. I think I should add a trigger over here, only then it will start working. Just put a trigger and execute workflow. Now let's see. Everything is fine. Then it will just put every data into my Supabase. So as you can see, it was my previous data was of 6. Then again the data is same. Then it's just create other 6 IDs so that it can retrieve it in a perfect way. So just close it. It's really crucial. I would really suggest and recommend you. It's a bit of complex, but I guide you each and every step. Hopefully there will be no issue. So we have to get back to our system, and now we have a proper knowledge base which can retrieve our important company information, whatever we put in our drive format. So just again select it. Now what we have to do is, in the tools, we going to select a Supabase over here. But now it will automatically select it as a retrieve data. Despite of getting an tool as an agent, just do it as a vector chain. Just select a table which you have created. In my case, it's Happy Feeds. You will be documents, the match, the query, and again I have to select the embedded. Just clean the format. So what we have to do is, again I have to add a vector store retriever. No, this question and answer. So in the description, we have to describe a bit about what our vector store should act like. I have already created a perfect prompt which will be provided in the resources, as I already told you that let me show you how it is. firstly I have to define the role of the Supabase, then the knowledge phase it is getting. Like for our example, I am creating a chatbot for e-commerce. Just already explained in my previous video that there is a fake store which is I'm doing is a Happy Feeds. Now it's a shoe company. There is a lot of data which should be retrieved from the knowledge base, like the product we are selling, what is the timing we are open at, and which locations we are, and stuff like that. So this is, as you can see, you can take a screenshot as well. So yeah, also there is a switch over here which I definitely going to tell you, but right now just save it as it is and connect it with the Supabase, and then connect your AI agent with this tool. Now it's perfectly fine. Now as you can see, they are just connecting with each other perfectly. Now what is more important in this, we have to create a memory so that whenever our client connected with us, there should be a memory of their messages at least of 10 to 15, so that whenever our customer asks certain time of questions, it has to remember that this is not a new client, this is our client that already we are doing conversation with. So if we do not add this kind of memory from each message, it going to ask like what is your name and what is your things and what. So it is better to set up a memory, simple memory, and here is 5. You can select somewhere between 10 to 15 or 20. 15 is the best. So now everything is fine. We have till now created a chatbot that can handle voice, images, text, and have a sharp memory and also remember that. Now what we can do is we have to add our CRMs, or every company have its own CRMs. In our case, we are going to do with Airtable, but if your company is having its own record keeping things where it store their order number, and like for Shopify, you can connect your Shopify over here. And if other CRMs you are using, it's perfectly compatible with that as well. In our case, to understand it in an easy manner, we have using the Airtable, or you can use, if you are not friendly with Airtable, you can go with Google Sheet. Just put your order ID over there, your product information over there. Follow what I have now showing you. So in tools, again you have to click for Airtable. And now what you have to do is, again you have to create an account on Airtable. Just click over here and just type Airtable. And it's a really simple process of signing up. Just sign up over there, and I will provide this sample in the resource format. You can just visit and get all the resources whatever I'm showing in this video. It will be great help to you. So the record is dummy here, which you can see. It's order ID, customer name, phone number, estimate delivery. It's in the orders, and I have inventory section as well, where I have put product ID, casual shoes as a category, product name, available size, price, and description. And here, as I already shown you, that I have created a ticket. So it's on serial number 6, Cecil Greenwood. So yeah, it will record your customers' complaints over here. So how we can connect this within our N10? So just follow me. After selecting the Airtable, just go over here, create a new credential. It will ask you the access token and where you will find that. Just go to your Airtable, go to your accounts, and there you will find an API. Just go to the developer section, and here you have to create a token. Just create a token right here. I already created it. I have to click. So you just have to name your token, then it will automatically create. Now you will not see any kind of scope over there, or neither you can see any kind of access. So what you have to do, just add a scope. Just select a data record which is read, then data record, which is write. And most important thing is schema based write. Just click over each time, just click and add your scope over here. Now another important thing is you have to gain access. Maybe in other cases there will be a multiple bases, multiple tables, so we have to give a access to it. So for that, just click add on base and give table access you want to give, and just click on save changes. Now you will get a pop-up of, before that you will, when you select when you give name to your API token, then automatically it will give you a token over there. Just select it and copy it right here. I don't have to do that because I already have a access of tokens right here. So what we have to do is select automatically, record, get, and base. We have to go with the base of happy feeds and table. Now for inventory, orders, and tracking, for each item we have to create a different Airtable. So here we will select an Airtable and record ID. This is really important and crucial as well, because each time the query will be different. So for that, we have to go with the dynamic order IDs. We cannot generate by ourselves because it will get a lot of written of code. So we will just select our AI magic over here and put a description. So now what it will be do is, whatever the information customer asks, it will dynamically create a code which will directly relate it to the Airtable columns and rows. And whatever the information asked, it will automatically filter and get back to the customer with the right results. So we just have to put a correct description over here so it get a proper base. In this case, go with the description like, I think error right here. I think operation should be search, because we are not adding any kind of data in the inventory or order ID. We are searching the existing data, because at the end customer is about to search, not adding any kind of information. Information is only added in the ticket form, not in the orders or inventory. So yeah, the filter by formula, as I already told you, the thing will be the same. And now in the description, filter will be on the base of size and price. Field name is available, size and price. Let me just cross check in the inventory section. Available size and price. Name is correct, so everything is fine. So now everything remains same. Now again we have to connect our Airtable tool, and right now we will go with the record and search the record. Again the drill will be the same, happy feeds. Now this time we are going to select orders, and formula will be again the same, automatically filtered and things dynamically formulated with the help of OpenAI, and filter on the base of order ID. Field name is order ID. Cross check it again that order have these kind of columns. Order ID. All right. Filter will be on the base of order ID. The field name is order ID. Now it's correct. Now third and last thing is the ticket thing, we have to create a new record in a table. Then we will select happy feeds. Okay, it's right here now. Tickets, map each manually. So everything is automatically here. So we just have to filter out over here automatically, dynamically by the OpenAI. So everything is perfect. We just have to rename it. Just give a name of create ticket, and this should be inventory. Inventory check. And the third is order. Okay, order check. So everything is done now in case of attaching the things. And now the most important thing we have to do is, how would AI agent get to know? Because we haven't prompt. So most importantly, we have to prompt. And for that, I already created a perfect prompt while keep on testing these things. And what our prompt will do is, it will dynamically understand. Then the person is asking for our details, which is in the knowledge base, or the details is related with the table I have to fetch. And for that prompt, in that prompt, everything is perfectly defined. So for that, we have to just create a bit of change in this. It will be a user message, and we have to do is time, which will be curly braces now. Now it will understand the time zone it is getting the information. And we have to do a system message over here. I have written a prompt, as I already told you, that you will get in the resource. Here it is. So each and everything, I have defined the role of an AI agent, which WhatsApp AI agent going to support, how it should be, what is the tone it should use, and what query should be handled by which tool. And for that, I have created through some rules, like if an order tracking, you have to go with the use tool called order underscore tracking. I think I rename it differently. I have renaming it order check. Okay, so what we can do is, for the order tracking, we just copy and go to our order check details and rename it. Now you know that why it is essential to rename these nodes, because it acts as a tool. So moving forward, for the product availability inventory check, I think I have rename it perfectly. Inventory check again, just to reconfirm. And the third one is create ticket, right? Little bit of zoom. Third one is create ticket. And for that, I think I have issue escalate from human tool. It's create ticket. And be sure if it is a capital format, then it should be in a capital form. If it is in a running alphabet, it should be in the running alphabet only. If anything space or whatever the reason, it may not work perfectly fine. So just do check if you are getting any kind of error. Otherwise it is perfectly fine. So what we have to do is just save it right here. And now it's time to test. So one error keep on popping, which is this. I think I have missed one thing, which is a model over here. Just open API, just mini, everything is fine. I think now it's fine. Just do the formatting thing. Now there is no error and everything seems to be very perfect till now until we test. So what we can do is we will again try to create a ticket with this workflow. So let's execute it once again. One thing important here is WhatsApp API token get expire. It is really important. I will put it in the notes, important notes, that WhatsApp API keeps on access token keeps on getting expired, I think after 10 to 12 or 15 minutes. So if this workflow do not work after some time, if you again recheck it, maybe there is issue of generating new tokens. So what you have to do is again go back to your Facebook developer account, click on API, then again select your sender number and your number which is already verified as well, and then generate token. The new token you will receive, put it right here. Just go to here and edit it, put right here, and I think here you can see, I think I had to do it. My token has also expired. So here we are in the account setup. This is what I have talking about. Just create it once again. Reconnected. So it is reconnected now. Just copy this and paste it over here. I know it's expired. Just reconnect it. Now it's live. Just save it. And one another thing you have to do is, which is in your HTTP, as you remember, we also put a authorization code over here, and with that what we had to do is, it's already expired. So go with the bearer space, then our token, then save. Now everything will work perfectly fine. So let's execute it. Let's ask some questions as well as create a ticket as well, because this is the most crucial part, to create a ticket on the command. Also get verified. Let's put a hi. Oh, I think there is an error of memory. I maybe forgot something over here. Okay, this is an issue of session ID. Oh yeah, I have to define that it should be get triggered with the WhatsApp trigger. So for that I have to check with the code. So here's the code, I think. Yep, now it is accepting. I will also put this code in the resource as well, because this is also really crucial. If you are creating something, some minor part may be missed. Just execute it once again. Now what we can do is just make it live. Stop it right here, just make it live. And now it is perfectly active. What we can do is, hi, let's see how it does. Go to the execution section. It's returning now. It's working perfectly fine. Now let's see what we can do. I want to check with my order status. Yep. So for the order ID, I have to go with ORID 123. ORID 123. It takes a bit of time, but get back to us the perfect reply. See, it's working perfectly fine. So this is the complete workflow. One more important thing which I think I missed in the video, that not missed, but the structure, the workflow we have created, it's in a very IDM format. Means to say, it's in a test environment format. So if you want to execute such system, such WhatsApp AI agent for your business, firstly you have to buy an API. Otherwise, what you can do is you can go to the Twilio and create an account over there, connect your WhatsApp to that, and then your WhatsApp business number will automatically connected with the N10, and you just have to connect Twilio nodes from start to end. And wherever I have created a WhatsApp node, there you have to connect a node of Twilio, which is easily compatible with N10, and then it will perfectly fine to working with you on a live scenarios. To put your AI WhatsApp AI agent in the real world, you have to get help with the paid subscription of WhatsApp APIs, or you can go with the Twilio.
So that's how you build a WhatsApp AI agent for your business. No coding, just logic and creativity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tutorials videos like this. And if you have any kind of suggestions or queries or anything you want to share, just drop a comment below. I read them all and reply. So this is Inderpreet Singh signing off.